Good morning, my name is Lady. Today we are going to talk about daily routines. First, students will watch a video so that the teachers know their previous knowledge. This is link of activity. Then, students will be explained what the daily routines consist, and they are given to know writing and pronunciation through images. This is imagine. Then students will be given sub letter. In this you must find the words that are shown in the following images so that they know the vocabulary. This is vocabulary. For example, I get up, I take a shower, I get dressed, I make breakfast. Vocabulary. Then, in this part, they must take a test, demonstrating what they have learned and select the correct answer. For example, which is correct? I go out, I finish work, I get up. At the end, the correct answer will be displayed. The correct is I get up, other examples. After, a student must write down their daily routines and introduce into the teacher. Then, a student will also carry out activities of a link that will be sent to their virtual activities platform. This will end them. Thank you.